Okay, we're over here at somewhere. We're going to go to math.com. Click on the algebra. Let's go down to absolute value equations 2.2. I believe is what we're looking at. Find the solutions to the equation, write in numerical order. So remember, I'm having you write the solutions in numerical order just because I've got a program that way in the box. All right, it doesn't matter what order you can, you really write them in for the answer, but that's just because the way this is programmed. Okay, so I have to talk about that. Okay, so what do we got? We got the absolute value of x plus 8 is equal to 20. The absolute value of x plus 8 is equal to 20. Okay, so we're going to write this twice. We're going to get two separate equations here. First one, we just drop the absolute value bars. So we have x plus 8 is equal to 20. And then we're going to rewrite this again. X plus 8 is equal to, now remember we multiplied this by -1, and so that gives us -20. See that? Alright, so we're going to solve this equation, solve that equation, and that should be both of our solutions to the original equation. Alright, so the first thing we're going to do, let's do this one. So remember we just subtract 8 from both sides. So we end up with x is equal to, what is this going to be, 12? I hope. Okay, so that's one of our solutions, 12. And of course, if you took 12 and you plugged it in right here, 12 plus 8 is 20. Alright, so we know that's a solution. Good to go. Now this one over here, remember we subtract 8 from both sides. And we're left with x is equal to -28. -28. Okay, so we can always check this by taking the -28. Let's just do that right here. And you know what? We're going to use a different color. How's that? Let's use we'll use red. So okay, so we're just checking this. So -28 plus 8 is equal to supposedly 20, but we got to check that. So -28 plus 8 is going to be -20. And of course the absolute value, remember, of a negative number inside makes it positive, and therefore we get 20. So that checks out. So our two solutions is going to be 12 and -28. And of course, I said we want to write those in numerical order. So -28, comma 12, and that's really just for the checkbox, but it doesn't matter. You could say 12 -28, doesn't matter which way, but remember, it's for this purpose only. -28, comma 12. Let's click on that. Correct. If you don't know the answer, you can always click there. And of course, you can always click on the video button up here and watch this video. Alright, which you've probably already done. Where are we at? Okay, we're finished with that. Moving on to the next problem. So we're over here at go to math.com, working some absolute value equations. See you there.